Hi everyone, I am back with another video of 99 reviews. In this video we will discuss some hidden features of iOS 16. Before going to the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. First feature of iOS 16 is copy text from video. Now you can copy any text from video in iOS 16. Just stop the video and click on this side option and click on copy. Now you can paste it wherever you want. The next tip is for those who are irritated from ending call by power button. Now you can easily fix this in settings. Just go to the setting and then accessibility and then in touch. Here you can see the option prevent lock to end call. Allow this option to prevent your calls ending by power button. In iOS 15 you need to slide down for searching app. Now you can see the search option at the bottom. The next feature is about your lock screen wallpaper customization. Now you can customize your lock screen easily. You can customize your lock screen time font, and you can also add widgets, for example batteries and other widgets on the lock screen. In iOS 16 you can directly translate the text by camera. You don't need to capture the photo, just open the camera, scan the text and translate it. You can also change languages. Now you can easily translate the text from one language to another. In Notes app there is a big change in the conversion. Now you can easily convert the values, for example kilometer to feet, inches and many more. There is a change for hidden album in photos. You can also use Face ID to unlock hidden album in photos. In iOS 16 there is addition of rename option while taking the screenshot. Now you can rename the screenshot while saving it. In iOS 16, the major change that the people was waiting for is battery percentage. Now it will show the battery percentage. Background removing become very easy in iOS 16. Just click and hold on the object and now you can copy it. Weather app in iOS 16 is become very better. Many features like day-by-day comparison are added and many other features are now available in Weather app.